Welcome back. 30 seconds later. I'm gonna have to cut that part out because I swore. I've been trying to like edit over the swear words, but it's you can still hear what I'm saying. I don't know if it works. But there's a little wreck back there. It looked like there's cop cars blocking the middle of the road and a tow truck. Been struggling to speak today for some reason. A Harley guy that initiated it. Nice. Another one. Let's go. 2 in a row. That is crazy. I don't think that's ever happened besides like when they're in a group. Because usually when they're in a group, if one does it, they all will. It's that like herd mentality. But typically by themselves, they won't do it. Oh, hold up. There's a Ferrari. Yo. I did not see that. I was zoned out. I am following them. Fucking target acquired. Excuse me. Ferrari. Laws don't apply to me anymore. I see a Ferrari. The fuck? Okay. Apparently we're gonna get killed. What an interesting... You're good. You're good. I don't know what he said. But hey, at least they like apologized. So we're fine. I was going a little fast because I see this Ferrari up here, so we're both at fault. Yeah, she should have seen me and heard me, but I was also going a little fast, so came out of nowhere, probably. We can both take some accountability, but they apologized, so I'm not mad. Nobody was hurt. I just wanted to get a close-up of this car. I had no intention of going this way. In fact, I don't even know where we're going. I mean, I kind of do. But why is there a bus convoy? I'm sending it. Ooh, look at this. Of course, it's an old guy. But that is a nice-ass car. Okay, we're going this way. Ooh, sweet. He might be going to the 2-lane road, which would be perfect because then it's yellow. We're good. Then I can pull up beside him and get a nice shot. And give him a thumbs up for his car. So hopefully he goes the way I was actually planning on going. Not this route to get to this road, but hopefully I'm losing the ability to speak again. But hopefully he's going to the road I was planning on going to, just taking a different way. Nice looking Mustang. I'm more concerned about the Ferrari right now. Please turn right. Please turn right at the light. Come on. Come on. There we go. Let's get it. Nice Ferrari shot for the thumbnail. Is this what is this? youtube.com/musclemoto. Check it out. Here we go. I wonder if he'll race me. I highly doubt it. Get a nice shot. Damn, look at those yellow calipers. Those look awesome. And the thing's sweet. He's not looking over. It's a nice car, man. I don't don't think he'll race me though. Maybe. No? I mean, he's kind of keeping up. I don't think he's gonna race though. That is an awesome car. I'm not exactly sure what model that is, I'm gonna be honest. It looks similar to an F12. It looks like a convertible F12 kind of, but like I don't think it is an F12. So I don't want to be wrong. So I'm not gonna say what model I think it is because, like I said, I'm not entirely sure. I'm just saying it looks similar to an F12. That is the only model I'm familiar with that looks similar to that one. If you know exactly which one that is, please tell me in the comments. I would like to know. It is a really nice day, so it's probably a good day to find cars like that. I just realized. But yeah, I mean, that worked out perfectly because this is the road I was planning on going to. I was going to take a different route, like I said, but I was going to end up here. So that worked out perfectly. Oh, we got a clapped out Focus behind me. Maybe they want to race. Is he going for it? He kept riding up close behind me. I'm sure he will. No? Come on. Oh, maybe. Does he want to go? He's downshifting. Hell yeah. My speedometer was photoshopped. I'm going 55. Well, my speedometer's wrong. That's not my actual speed. I'm going much, much slower. I'm going to very slowly pass the board. Nope, because there's traffic in front of me. Cars in front of me. Ah, shit. Gaslight. Too much going on right now. My gas light's coming on. I thought that was a cop pulling out back there. What the fuck is that, bro? Why you got a smoke bomb in your car? I want to at least give him a thumbs up. This is turning out to be an exciting video. I'm glad I decided to make a second one today. Well, now it's tempting to I got a debate between the Ferrari for the title or this for the title. Probably still going with Ferrari, but I have options this time. And now we can even appeal to the truck community. Not this one. That's not the one I was referring to. That guy. A little something for everybody in here, I guess. I don't really like using Sheet's gas, but my light's on. I was gonna say if he's still sitting there when I drive past, I'll point to the stickers, but it's not happening. I think he is going left, which is the way I'm headed. Yep. Dumbass. That light just screwed me. If he takes that exit, I might be able to. No, I won't be able to. Another red light. Apparently I'm not going to catch up to him. Oh, never mind. He's right there. Takes the same exit as me. That'll be the perfect spot. Oh, he is. Perfect. Thanks. Was that a middle finger or like a... I'm gonna have to watch that back, but he might have flipped me off. If he did, I was mad. Sorry you're slow and didn't buy a bike. Well, I don't know if he flipped me off, gave me a thumbs up, or like did one of these. Couldn't really tell. Okay, he definitely didn't flip me off. He's fun. Okay, well that answered that question. Alright, I think that's a good place to end it on. A good note to end it there. Pretty eventful video actually. I think one of the most eventful, at least I've had in a while. Saw Ferrari, got to race a Focus ST, which I would love to race again, like where I fully commit instead of just kind of like sometimes full throttle and other times backing off, and where I have enough gas too. But like his car is definitely fast. I definitely could have won, but like his car is absolutely fast. Like it did a good job keeping up. So I got to race him. I got to race that the Mazda, but that guy was cool. It wasn't really much of a race, but he was cool. The guy in the white truck that I technically know got a little bit of something for everybody, seems like. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and to all the like new subscribers, welcome. Appreciate you subbing. Yeah. That was fun. I enjoyed it. I'm glad I got to go out today. So, hope you enjoyed it as well. And I'll see you later. I like how, I just realized, I like how when I was listing all the stuff that happened in this video, I completely forgot the part where that lady like started to drive into my lane. I would say where I almost got hit, but like it wasn't really that close. Yeah, she was driving into my lane, and like had she kept going, she would have hit me, absolutely. But yeah, I just thought it was funny. I forgot to mention that. Okay, but now I'm gone.